Hello and welcome to the MSTAR training session for returning the media without the user's OMV card. This provision is given in case of any emergencies where the student or the employee card has been lost or the user has left and the book needs to be returned back in the system. The provision is only given to return the media, and before the return of media can take place, the media has to be issued earlier to the user using the OMV card. So let us see how to return the media without having the user's OMV cards. Click on button M star and select Module Library. The name of the module appears on the main screen, which means that you're now working in the library module. Click on the button Activities and select Screen Media Return. As the screen opens, it first requests to select the name of the library in which the media return has to take place. Select the name of the library and click on the button Go. The name of the library appears on the main screen. As a first step, select the user type, which means whether you need to return the media for the students or for the employees. Select the valid option. So selecting one of the options as students. After that, in the user option, there are two further options available: active users and inactive users. Active users would display the list of active employees or students to whom media has been issued and is pending for return in the application. Inactive users will display the list of inactive employees or students to whom media has been issued and is pending for return in the application. Inactive basically are the cases where the employees or the students have left the school. So select an option as required, and as you select the option, the list of the selected user type appears in the grid below. Let us see various columns of the grid. The first column is the serial number. The second is the class section. Since we have selected user type as students, it is showing us the column of class section. Let us select the employees and it will now show us the department name instead of class section. So based on the user type selected, the columns will show applicable details. The next column will show the employee name, and in case of students, it will show the student name. In the next column, it will show the school accession number. This is a common column whether the user type student or employee is selected. In fact, the columns after the school accession number are the common columns for both employees and students. So the school accession number is the book accession number for the student or the employee. The accession number is the system generated accession number of the media issued to the employee or the student which is pending to be returned. The title is the title of the media pending to be returned. The ISBN number, if entered, will display in this column. The author name of the media and the publisher name of the media is displaying in other columns. You can also see the date of issue of the media, and it is also showing us the expected return date of the media as per the last issued date. As we can see, there are records which are almost an year older. So these records are coming from the previous year where the students have not returned the book in the system. The next column is the return column. This column is for marking the return status, whether the specific media for the employee or the student needs to be returned or not. If you click on the same, a Y status will appear, which means that for this student, the specific media will get returned in the application. If you further click on it, it will become No, which means that the media will remain in the issued status to the specific user. Then the last column is the actual return column. This is the current date which gets automatically displayed if you make the status of return as Y. So, to return the books against various users, click on the row of the user in the column return and make the status as Y. Click against multiple users as required, and the date of actual return by default shows as the current date. This date cannot be updated. After updating the status as required, click on button Save, and the message for confirming the successful return of media will appear. Click OK on the confirmation message, and the grid will now get updated for the return of media against various users. You can repeat these steps for the user type employees or active or inactive users. The screen is meant for return of issued books in case the book has been physically returned or damaged, but it is pending for return in the application due to the absence of user's OMB card, which could be due to loss or withdrawal of the user. Therefore, to make the book back into the issuable stage or to save the correct status as applicable in the application for further transactions, the books can be returned using this page without the user's OMB card. Once the book is returned from the screen, the book status becomes available, which can be updated to its correct status or can be further issued as required. The other features which are available in the screen is to search a student name or an employee name, or search a record by the school accession number. For example, if we want to search for a student name, we can enter the name of the student in the box provided against the text student name search, and it will search for all the students as per the name entered. And then further we can update the status as required. Or we can also search a record through the school accession number. Enter the school accession number in the text box next to the school accession number search, and it then displays the results based on the number entered. You can further update the status as required of the highlighted book. And the same can be done in the employees, where you can search for the employee name by entering the name of the employee in the employee name search field, and you can also search for the accession number by entering the accession number of the book in the field school accession number search. Repeat these steps for inactive or active users or specific user types as required. Click on the clear button to clear the screen. We would also like to highlight that the screen is meant for return of issued books in case the book has been physically returned or damaged, but its status of return is pending to be updated in the application because the user's OMB card is not available. It could be because of the loss of card or withdrawal by the user. Therefore, to make the book into the issuable or damaged status in the application for further transactions, the book can be returned using the screen without user's OMB card. Once the book is returned from the screen, the book status becomes available, which can be further updated to its correct status or can be further issued as required. Thank you for watching this video.